Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture, to our next tool on how to use online tools to create different social media images. We are in the section where we talk about tools that you can use on your own images to get them to the right size for your social media accounts, to enhance them if you want to, and after that to save them and upload them directly to your social media accounts. For example, for Facebook profile, Facebook cover photos, Twitter images or posts, and so on. This is another very simple tool that you can use to take your images to the right size for your social media accounts. It's from internetmarketingninjas.com. You can see here the web address in my browser. Okay, internetmarketingninjas.com /CEO tools /fav icon generator crop images is the social image Resizer tool, and it's actually a very simple tool to use. You just click here on the upload button. For example, if you want to, you just click on the choose file button. For example, if you want to use it for a profile photo for Facebook, you just click on the open. Okay, on the upload, you just click on the upload section, and then you practically select, choose the size. You choose the size, for example, if you want for Facebook cover photo, profile photo, tab, link image, whatever you want. Okay, you have here all the type of the most used images that you want. For example, we select the Facebook profile photo. This is the right selection. You can choose that part of the photo that you want to appear in your profile photo. You click on the done editing button. Okay, then you can send it, for example, to an email, or you can download it directly. So you download the image, you have the image here in your downloaded section, and that's it. It's very easy to use, and practically you'll use this tool only for resizing to the right size your photos, your images, if you want, for your profile or your cover photos. I hope you will use this tool because it's actually very simple. It's for already done photos that you can use and just take them to the right size. Thank you guys for your attention. You know already you are awesome. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here, and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye for now.